Want to create your own custom apparel with zero experience? Or maybe you're thinking about starting a small clothing business from home effortlessly? Today I'll show you how to do it in just 20 minutes with xTool Apparel Printer. An all-in-one, fully automated solution that makes apparel printing easy for anyone. That's it! Just 4 things to make custom apparel. A t-shirt, or any apparel you want to customize. xTool Heat Press. Transfer film and DTF powder, included with the xTool Apparel Printer. Let's get started! Step 1. Design and Setup. Connect the Apparel Printer and open xTool Creative Space. Import your design. Then adjust the size and position to fit your apparel perfectly. Step 2. Print. Set the printing parameters. Hit the button and let the magic happen. Step 3. Automatic processing. With a blazing speed of up to 50 square feet per hour, each design prints in just 2 to 3 minutes. And once it's done, the printed film is automatically cut, moves along the rails, gets coated with DTF powder, and is double baked for a perfect finish. Printing is done. Now have a look. High definition resolution, vibrant colors, and crisp details, all in just 10 minutes. Step 4. Heat press. Place your t-shirt and printed film. Preheat to 150 degrees Celsius and set the time to 30 seconds. Press with xTool Heat Press and click to start. Lift the press, and your design is perfectly transferred. Step 5. Peel and finish. Once cooled, gently peel off the film, and your custom t-shirt is ready. Pro tip: lock in the design for extra durability. Press it again after peeling. This ensures your design stays vibrant and long-lasting, even after multiple washes. And that's it. From start to finish, making a custom t-shirt takes just 20 minutes. But why stop at t-shirts? You can customize hats, bags, shoes, and more. So give it a try. You'll love how easy it is and the stunning results it delivers. Click the link below to learn more, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.